And in this video we will be talking about networking devices. Yeah, that's right, networking devices. Now before that, let us understand networking. What is networking then? Alright, networking is connection between two or more devices so that they can share their information and resources. Like we have a file server, we have a client, a switch, a router. So we have all these devices with us right now. So these devices are connected with one another, and the client is the file server is accessible by client. So this client this client can access all the files from this file server. Why? Because these are connected via switch. So this is networking. They are sharing their information and resources. Now let us talk about networking devices. What networking devices? Do you know what networking devices is? It can be something, right? So no need to scratch your head, no need to think out loud, and no need to just go weird in that. What is networking devices? This isn't a rocket science, right? This isn't a rocket science. This is just very simple. So the first one we have here is hub. A hub is a connection point of different segments of LAN. Okay, so basically hub is a device which creates networks. Okay, it's a cheap and a simple device. Most importantly, these hubs are little wasteful with bandwidth. Allow me to give you an example. When a computer sends information to a hub, it replicates the data on all the other interface. How? Let's say I'm having this one PC here, and the second PC here, and the third PC here, and this is my hub. Now these devices are connected with this hub. Okay, like this. These devices are connected with the hub. Now if PC1 sends some data to hub, and the data is destined for PC2, it has to receive here. Okay, but what hub will do is hub will replicate the data and sends it to PC2 and PC3. So it creates a lots of unnecessary traffic, just remember this thing. Every incoming bit is replicated on all the other interfaces. Okay, every incoming bit is replicated on all the other interface, and hub cannot learn MAC addresses. Even after the first time transmission, hub cannot learn the MAC addresses. That's why it's a dumb device. It's a non-intelligent device. That's why it replicates and sends the packet to, or the information to, all the other interface, because it cannot learn the MAC address. The mode of transmission is broadcast in a hub. So hub is a broadcast domain. A hub creates a broadcast domain, and the mode of transmission is half duplex. Okay, half duplex. Then we have a switch. Okay, now a switch is a bit different device than hub. Switch is basically smarter than hub, right? So you can say it's an elder brother of hub. Yeah, that's right. So what is a switch? Hub sends every incoming bit to all the other interface, creating lots of unnecessary traffic. But there is a way to cope with this situation by the use of switch. Yes, by the use of switch. As this device learns the MAC address after the first transmission via ARP. I've already done a video on ARP. You can go and have a look at it. It only forwards the bit or the information to the destination. So at the first time transmission, switch does a broadcast with the ARP. Okay, address resolution protocol. With the ARP, with the help of ARP, switch does the broadcast at the first time, at the first time communication or the first time transmission. And after that, when it learns the MAC address, when it has learned the MAC address, switch do unicast or multicast in some case. right? A switch is a multi-port networking device that connects network. See, when we were talking about hub, I told you that hub connects network, and now switch also creates network, right? So switch and hub, these two devices creates network, right? A switch is a multi-port networking device that connects networking devices, or that connects other networking devices and creates a network. Type of transmission in switch is unicast, multicast, and broadcast. Mode of transmission is full duplex, right? So we are clear, right? That's good. Now we have this thing called router. As of now, we have learned that hubs and switches are those devices which creates a network. Now, what if we want to send packets across those networks? We need something to connect, right? We need something to connect, and here router comes in play. You can think of router as a doorway out of your internal network and connect it to the outside network. A router performs a task called network address translation, by which it connects public IP address and private IP address. So the first thing is, what is a public IP address and what is a private IP address, right? A public IP address is an IP address which is routable on internet, and a private IP address is a IP address which is only accessible by your internal network or by your home network. That's it. Okay. So a router is a device which connects network. Switch and hub creates network, router connects network. It segregates public IP and private IP by NAT. NAT is network address translation. Network address translation, yes. Okay. And router works on IP address. A router is a layer 3 device, layer 3 of OSI reference model. Router is a layer 3 device of OSI reference model. OSI. I'm so sorry about my handwriting. So router is the layer 3 device of OSI reference model. Layer 3 is network layer. Now router routes packets. Okay, router routes packets, or it is the device which routes packets. So I hope you understood the basic concepts behind the hub, the switch, and the router. Okay, these three are the basic networking devices. Are the basic Yes, these three are the very basic networking devices. And from this video onwards, I am starting my CCNA course videos. Okay, so this is the first video of my CCNA course content. So do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Do leave any comments or suggestions for the videos, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you so much, guys.